Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bryans Road, local and long-distance movers near me. We ensure to complete your long-distance move on schedule without any worry. Whether relocating to another state or across state borders, we're here to help you. We take full responsibility for everything from packing to shipping your things timely and safely in your destination. We also have been moving customers in Bryans Road for more than 20 years. Our quality services and competitive prices at 3 men and a truck are unmatched. Are you relocating locally to your dream home or office in Bryans, Mars? If yes, then your moving process is going to be tiring and exhausting, as any long-distance move is. You also have to deal with packing endless things scattered everywhere. Let's not forget how you'll move your old home or office to your new place, including the heavy furniture and equipment. It's much better to hire a local moving company than dealing everything on your own. Our movers are also experts at effectively completing any commercial or residential local move. Hiring us means you don't have to devote several days to make your move to a dream location. No matter how big your move is, our movers will complete the whole thing in just one day. Expect your things to be packed, loaded, and unpacked along with your furniture and electrical equipment timely at your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bryans Road moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.